Oh, my Septus. King Septus has already landed. How many Yo balloons are ready?
Don't worry. 3 balloons are ready. Oh, no. I had blown up 3 yellow balloons, but all of them popped.
How many Yo balloons are ready now?
0. There are no balloons left.
We need to think of something quick. We need to get the decorations ready in time. Even if the balloons pop, we can still surprise King Septus. I have a plan.
Oh! Oh.
Welcome back, King Septus.
Whoa! All the balloons popped! 0 balloons! Yet so much fun! Awesome! Thank you so much for this lovely surprise.